Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new content. So today this is an unboxing, but this is an unboxing of some candles from Bath Bodyworks. I want you to see the box. It's kind of big. So I wanted to take advantage of this sale that they were having. I'm not sure if they're still having this sale. No, they're not having this sale. This was this weekend. And so I had some things that I had to do. So I made sure I got my candles right away. Because I won't be available later this week. So I want to go ahead and share this with you guys because I haven't had, I've been burning candles a lot more in the house, especially when the spring weather started kicking in and I started opening up the windows and airing everything out. So I looked at my collection and I said, you know, I have a lot of winter candles, and then voila, Bath and Body had a sale on their candles for buy two get two free. So I ordered some candles, and let's see, quite a few candles. Let's see what's in this box. So Midsummer Dream, I guess that's their new fragrance. It would have been nice if they had gave a sample so you could smell it. But I guess they want you to come into the store. So we got bubble wrap, and I bought some hand lotions because I've been buying those little small bags, and I've been liking having access to these small lotions, and they had these on sale too. Not remembering what the sale was for the lotions. I don't remember. Anyway, so I got, this is a nice thick plastic. So I have here Black Merlot, which is one of my favorite scents of theirs. I love Black Merlot. I love the Black Merlot candle. I love the Black Merlot body wash and lotion. That smells so good. Oops. Let's close some out. That's okay. I wanted to put it on anyway. These lotions are so nice and soft. I really love these. These are good for travel in the smaller bags. So I got the Shea Moisture. This is the staple of the lotions. This is just shea butter. So I got two of those. I think it was buy two, get one free. Because I got the other one, I actually paid full price for one of them. And then I got the Tiki Beach. Well, it just says beach. At the beach. That's the one I got there, at the beach. I've never smelled this, but I thought I'd take a chance just to see. It's nice. I love when you like wash your hands and you're around other people and you go in your purse and you pull that lotion out and then you start using the lotion and they're like, what's that smell? Especially when it's fresh. So this time I see that they pack these candles a little differently than before. They used egg cartons before. This is plastic. And they put them in their individual boxes. So each one, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles in total. So like I said, they would buy two, get two free. So that pretty much made them $12.50 a piece. So this first one is sun drenched linen. I probably need to sun drenched linen. I'm looking at my tablet. And so it is cool cotton, crisp apple, and soft musk. I think I should reposition this. I should have rethought this. I think I'm gonna put this box on the floor. I thought it would be easy, but no. Okay, so now I got the tablet, and now sun drenched linen. It is sold out. Wow. Okay, so yeah, because I was reading the description from the one of the fragrances, not the candles. I want to make sure that it was the same description. Cool cotton, crisp apple, soft musk with essential oils. This does smell just like it says. It smells like linen. And you know, I love a laundry smell. I have issues with smells. I love like smelling the when someone's washing and you walk past their house and you can smell the dryer and the fabric softener and I just have a thing about smells. I like the smell of gas. Yeah, I don't know why. But this is nice, and this is definitely a spring summer candle. So hopefully I like that. I think I read where somebody said that was good, like in the bathroom. Okay. I think I'm gonna keep these little bags. They're nice and thick. You know, guys, I feel like I haven't talked with you guys in a while, so we recently had a couple of deaths in our family, so I haven't been filming much. My husband had lost a couple of, his aunts back to back within the past couple of weeks. So that's why I haven't been on too much. Anyway, this is the Eucalyptus Springs. This is a pretty container. Let's see. Do they have it online? Eucalyptus Springs. Okay, so fresh eucalyptus leaves, sparkling spring water, sweet lavender with essential oils. This one got 4.8 stars. So everything that I was ordering, I think everything, so I can't remember every candle I ordered. I think everything I just kind of just took a chance on it because this is my first time ordering candles for spring and summer. So this is Eucalyptus Springs, and oh my god. You could definitely smell the eucalyptus. I love Bath and Body's eucalyptus candles. They have the eucalyptus mint is nice. The stress-free, of course, that is definitely a staple in this house. I don't know. I think those are only two so far. And this one smells really good, and the candle is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so what's the next one? I'm going to take my time. I'm going to clean up all those boxes. Okay, so this is the Rosewater Ivy candle. And I got this candle because my mom loves this scent. And she's really not a scent person. So she said I gave her this last year. I think it was just one of those because I never actually burnt the candle myself. So come on, Rose, Ivy. No. Okay, well, it's the sanitizer, so it's the same. So a fresh cut bouquet of soft rose petals, rain kissed ivy, and spring musk. Now I've smelt this before. My mom was burning it, and I was like, "Oh, what is that?" It was like nice and like fresh, and wasn't overwhelming. Mm, I think I bought this to give to her. I think okay. I'm trying not to keep it for myself. It is a nice scent, nice, soft. I would burn this in my bedroom. Oh, it's nice. I might have to revisit that if I'm gonna give that to her. I did her well for Mother's Day. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I know it's past, but you know, I'm gonna still say happy Mother's Day. So this next one is one of my favorites, orange ginger. This one gives you energy. This is the aroma. This is from the aromatherapy line. They changed the packaging a little bit. I like the old packaging. Do I have one? It doesn't say energy on it. This says orange and ginger. Hmm. It still smells like oh. It smells like orange and ginger. I don't even have to look this one up because this smells so good. And I love burning this, especially when I'm on a day where I'm I'm not feeling really productive. You put this candle on and it gives you the energy you need. So I'm hoping this is the same one, but it says aromatherapy on it. Okay. I got a few more, guys. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Oh, this is fun. I just don't want to clean up all this mess. Okay, so this is another new one. Raspberry tangerine. I like the little color block look there. Let's see. Raspberry. These candles, they sell out pretty quick online. But sometimes when you go in the store, they have them. And I wasn't trying to go to the store. I have other things I need to do. And I'd rather have just ordered it online, take my chances. Okay, so wild raspberries, fresh tangerine, lemon zest with essential oils. Mm. Oh, wow, that's so nice. I think I'm batting 100 on these candles. I think I better give my mama her rose and ivy. Probably should have bought two, like I just bought with this. This is the eucalyptus springs because it's a new. I decided to buy two because let's face it, guys. I bought two because of the color of the candle. So it looks so nice and fresh and clean. I figured this candle has got to smell good. So I got two. Plus it was eucalyptus, so you can't go wrong with that. Okay, my last two, guys. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so I bought this one, the white lavender eucalyptus. I bought this one so I can give to my aunt. I hope that's still my plan to give it to her because I never smelled it before. I know you guys are probably talking about me like, give that to your aunt, give that to your mama. Okay. So, crisp eucalyptus, sweet spearmint leaves, soft lavender with essential oils. Let's see. Okay, so I'm not smelling it too. I smell the eucalyptus. Let me take a moment. I'm smelling it, but I'm not smelling the lavender. I'm just smelling the eucalyptus. So she will be getting this candle, and then when she burns it at her house, I'll be wondering, why didn't I keep that candle for myself? Daggone it. Okay, but you can only burn so many candles at one time. And I already have a collection of candles. But I've been burning them so I can use them. Okay, so this one is Laundry Day. It actually looks like laundry. You see that pattern on there? That's nice. They could have made it a little bit more. I guess they want to make it clean. They could have zhuzhed it up a little bit. So before I open it, let me look it up. Let me see if they still have it. Laundry Day, I mean. So Laundry Day is fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, soft lavender with essential oils. And everything I got was about almost a 5-star rating. So, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I should have got 2 of these. I should have got 2 Laundry Days. Oh, this is awesome. Ah, I like this smell. Fresh air. It is definitely a fresh laundry scent. Reminds me of when you do your laundry and you have those smells, you know, in the laundry area. I love it. I love it. So guys, I'm so glad you stopped by my channel this time. It's been a minute, so if you guys could say a prayer for my family, I would appreciate it. And also, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. What you waiting on? All right, so until I see you next time in my next video, bye.